Chapter 6. Visual AI. Working with Images. The basics of Midjourney, Leonardo, and other image generators. Visual content is a key element of any communication. It instantly captures attention and conveys emotions and ideas that are difficult to express in words. But if you can't draw, creating such content can feel like an impossible dream. Until recently, it was. Today, image generators are completely changing the rules of the game. This chapter is your key to a world where any of your visual ideas can be brought to life in a matter of seconds. We will learn to work with the most powerful tools, Midjourney and Leonardo AI, which will allow you to create stunning images for any purpose, from social media posts and book covers to unique digital art. What is visual AI and how does it work? At the heart of these technologies is the principle of text-to-image. You describe what you want to see, and the neural network, trained on massive datasets, transforms your text request into a visual image. This process is like communicating with an artist who is ready to instantly draw anything you describe. Getting to know the key tools. There are many generators on the market, but we will focus on two that offer unique opportunities for earning in creativity. Midjourney is a powerful tool known for its artistic quality and ability to create stunning, often surreal and cinematic images. It's ideal for those who are looking for inspiration and want to create unique, highly artistic works. Leonardo AI is a more flexible tool focused on control and customization. Unlike Midjourney, it offers a wide selection of pre-trained models that specialize in different styles, from anime and fantasy to photorealism. This makes it an excellent choice for creating more predictable and controllable images, for example, for web design, advertising, or game assets. AI is a tool. You decide what to create, and the AI helps bring your ideas to life. The final result depends on how accurately you formulate your idea. In the next section, we will discuss how to create the perfect visual prompts for these tools. The anatomy of a perfect visual AI prompt. To get exactly what you have in mind from an AI, your prompt must be more than just a description. It has to be a precise technical specification. This is an art form, and the more details you provide, the better the result will be. Let's break down the components of an ideal visual AI prompt. First, subject and action. Start with the most important thing. What or who is at the center of the image? Describe the character, object, or scene. Poor prompt. A girl and a dog. Good prompt. A young girl, smiling, sitting on a bench and petting a golden retriever. Second, style and aesthetics. This is one of the most important elements. Specify the style you want the image to be in. It can be something concrete, photorealism, watercolor, pixel art, or abstract, cyberpunk, steampunk, fantasy. Good prompt. In the style of oil painting, reminiscent of Van Gogh's works. Good prompt. In a cyberpunk style, with neon signs in the background. Third, details and environment. Describe the clothing, lighting, weather, time of day, and background. Good prompt. Soft moonlight, with a bustling Tokyo street in the background, featuring many people and advertising screens. Examples of effective prompts. For a photorealistic portrait. Photorealistic, detailed portrait of a young woman with long, wavy blonde hair and green eyes. She is sitting on a wooden bench in a park at sunset, turning her head towards the camera, a gentle, warm smile on her face. She is wearing a white linen shirt that emphasizes her natural beauty. The soft, golden light of the setting sun illuminates her face. The background is blurred, creating a beautiful bokeh effect with gentle spots of light, while the woman herself is in sharp focus. The image is in a horizontal format, like a film still. For an artistic illustration, concept art in a steampunk style, highly detailed. In the center, a human robot with brass gears and mechanisms visible through transparent inserts. He is sitting at a small wooden table in a dimly lit, vintage cafe, reading a newspaper. In the background, complex steam mechanisms, brass pipes, and intricate pressure gauges cast long shadows. Steam hovers in the air, creating a misty effect. The lighting comes from a kerosene lamp on the table and a few neon tubes. The image is in a vertical format with an emphasis on the character. AI opens the door to the world of creativity for everyone, regardless of their artistic skills. By learning to combine these elements, you can create unique images for any purpose.